Hello Fanatics! With our review of Wind River coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! Hell or High Water is a crime drama directed by David Mackenzie, starring Chris Pine, Ben Foster, and Jeff Bridges. It follows the story of two brothers who come together to rob the banks, threatening to foreclose on their West Texas ranch. This film has similar tone, pacing, action, themes, and is also written by Taylor Sheridan. There is brief nudity and strong violence throughout. Sicario is a crime drama directed by Denis Villeneuve, starring Emily Blunt, Josh Brolin, and Benicio del Toro. It follows the story of an FBI agent who's brought into the escalating war against drugs at the US-Mexican border. This film has similar tone, pacing, and is also written by Taylor Sheridan. There's brief nudity and strong violence throughout. Prisoners is a crime thriller directed by Denis Villeneuve, starring Hugh Jackman, Jake Gyllenhaal, and Viola Davis. It follows the story of a desperate father who takes matters into his own hands when his daughter and her friend go missing. This film has similar tone, pacing, and themes. There are a few intense and gory scenes throughout. Unforgiven is a western directed by Clint Eastwood, starring Clint Eastwood, Gene Hackman, and Morgan Freeman. It follows the story of a retired Old West gunslinger who unwillingly takes on one last job, aided by his old partner and a young man. This film has similar tone, pacing, and action. There is some violence throughout. Whiteout is a crime action directed by Dominic Sena, starring Kate Beckinsale, Gabriel Mock, and Tom Skerritt. It follows the story of a U.S. Marshal who tracks a killer in Antarctica as the sun is about to set for 6 months. This film has similar tone, action, and atmosphere. There is some nudity and strong violence throughout. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did Wind River. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Wind River. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and until next time Fanatics, keep it real.